Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jade here, and today, I am in, a game called, something, I don't really know, but today we are in Roblox again, and just to let you tell, I'm joined by Paris. Hi, Paris. I just said that to her in chat, private chat mode. So, yeah, so she knows. Oh, she just said hey. Oh, she said hi, people. Oh, so nice to say to you. YouTube. Oh, so nice to say. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna pretend to be a dad. Should I be dada? Should I be dada? Okay, so I'm gonna pretend to be dad. Okay, so now what I've got to do is find her. Just find her. Okay, so Luna the Gamer's house. Okay, so if they're not in Luna the Gamer's, oh wait, yeah, they are. Yeah, yes, they are. I think. Oh no, there's another house. Okay, so it looks like they're not in Luna the Gamer's house. Let's check out Harris's house. Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna hop and say a merge. I'm a banana. 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 Paris is just laughing at me. Look at me, Jessie. Whoa. I'm just gonna say something like your kid looks dead right now. Your kid looks dead. Your kid looks dead right now. Here, let me help. Kidnapping. This is exactly kidnapping. This is exactly what kidnapping is and what it looks like. Okay, so now we just have to find Paris again. If you guys have found her, make sure to leave a comment down below. Yeah, so this is her plot. You obviously know this is her plot. So I haven't really got a plot yet. I might get one next to near hers. Like, I mean, I'm just gonna go to this plot and look. Actually, I'm gonna look at some more plots. Actually, okay, so now, yes, this is my new plot. Now, this is where I'll stay from now on. If I can too. Hey, where my baby gone? I was kidnapping him then. Oh well. I can't transport. Oh, I'm just gonna do that then. No. And now, I could just look back at Paris's. Look, oh wow, it looks like, has she changed this house? I'm not sure, but it looks nice, very nice. And we need to know what Paris is. So we'll just private chat her. Where are you? We'll say sorry for caps. Sorry for caps. Tree house. Okay. Well, ignore the sound in the background. We'll just go into the tree house here. Treehouse, where are you? We'll be right back when we find treehouse. So I guess I finally found Paris down here, and she said something. Oh yeah, true. I did save him, and she did say shush. 'Cause I'm a limousine that's all purple. I feel like I need... Okay, whatever. So, as I said again, my new gaming logo. Aha, my gaming logo. So... I don't know. Was just a banana standing in the car. Anyways, hope you guys like my new outro song. It's actually new. Really. It's called I guess I'll get a file up of it. You know, you really want to see it. So let's go. It's called byeeee Paris, by the way, because it's obviously not really called that. But we have the Discord of it. This is not really how you get on it. It's just this is the quickest way. It's called Too Late. It's my new outro song. But yeah, that's basically it. Now we just have to follow Paris into here and hope that she says bye to YouTube. Let's just say Paris. Paris. Oh my god, I forgot out the shout out. Paris. 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 Who will play names Lily a minute? I kinda stole it. Yeah? Your special YouTube moment is here. Your YouTube moment is here. Say a thing to the viewers. Say a thing to the viewers, Paris. God, this is Paris's shout out. So shout out to Dragonlight Queen 9000. Me and Paris's channel we both do same time. So shout out to that. And I don't think we have any more shout outs. Comment down below a nice thing in the comments, and comment down something nice in the comments and say, can I have a shout out underneath that nice thing? And maybe I will give a shout out actually. I'm sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah, once Paris says a shout out, we'll go. Paris, Paris. I'll get back to you guys when she says a shout out. Alright. I mean, I guess she didn't say anything except she couldn't say anything because she can't do the workers. You're all so nice, and yeah, shout out to that. And now, bye guys.